Today was day three of hearings that will determine whether convicted murderer Scott Peterson will get a new trial or not. And as KPIX 5's Max Darrow explains, some court watchers believe it was a win for the defense.
Scott Peterson back in a San Mateo County courtroom today as his defense team continues their push to prove juror Rochelle Nice lied on her questionnaire, was biased against him, and denied him of a fair trial. The focal point of cross-examination before Judge Ann Christine Masulo today, Nice's demeanor in the jury deliberation room. Peterson's attorney, Pat Harris, got right to the point with the witness on the stand, juror number 1, Greg Baratlis. Juror number 1 said back in 2004, Nice walked into the deliberation room and immediately expressed her opinion that Peterson should be found guilty, to which the rest of the jurors basically replied, wait a minute, there's a process we have to follow. He also described Nice as emotional. Prosecutor Dave Harris countered the second point, asking juror number 1 if others on the jury were also emotional, to which he said yes.
Today, the defense got a slight win.
Stephen Clark is a former prosecutor and legal analyst.
This juror testimony went along with the defense narrative that the failure to disclose this information in her questionnaire suggested that she didn't give Scott Peterson the benefit of the doubt and she shouldn't have been on the jury. But I think the prosecution did a good job of rehabilitating that narrative and saying it really didn't play a role in the outcome of this case.
Peterson's attorney did not take questions after the proceedings.
Any comment today, Mr. Harris?
I'm not commenting. Thank you. The key for the court is, did Ms. Nice do something that deprives Scott Peterson of a fair trial?
There were originally supposed to be 2 more days of hearings this week, but they've been pushed back to March 24th and 25th. The judge will have up to 90 days after the hearings conclude to determine whether Peterson gets a retrial or not. In Redwood City, Max Darrow, KPIX 5.